Hi everybody, this is Mary from Mary's Stamping Happenings, and today is There's a Card Thursday. I'm an independent demonstrator for Stampin' Up. That means I can sell you all the products that you see here. All the information will be down below. Today, what I am going to show you is this beautiful card. This I call the Copper Trim birthday or Copper Trim card. This one is a birthday one. I'm going to use a thank you one because I need some thank yous. So what we're going to need here is we're going to need a piece of 8.5 by 5.5 basic black. We're going to be using, and another piece, a small one, probably about 2.5 by an inch wide. And we're going to need a piece of Whisper White to go on the, to go on the inside of the card so you can write in it. We're going to be needing some designer series paper, springtime foils, 4x4, and we're going to need a piece of copper foil sheet. This is 3x3, okay? Accessories, we're going to need a piece of the copper trim. I really love this, it just feels so nice. Some Stampin' Dimensionals, glue dots. So we've got Stampin' Dimensionals, we've got glue dots. We're going to be needing the Copper Embossing folder, and we're going to need Versamark, and we're going to need our heat gun. We're going to need the Big Shot. We're going to use the Petal Burst embossing folder, and we're going to need the stitch shape framelits. So the first thing you're going to do is, where's that little piece of black? I am going to just, and we're going to use teeny tiny wishes. Yeah, we're going to use teeny tiny wishes. So I am going to do the thank you from Teeny Tiny Wishes. I'm going to stamp that in Versamark, just like that. I am then going to put the copper embossing powder on it. Okay. And then I'm going to emboss it. And it looks something, let me see. Oh, yeah, okay, let me get this up here. There, it looks something like that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that over to that, and I'm going to use the smallest oval shape there, and I'm going to cut that out. And then it looks something like this that you really can't see too well because of the copper. But it does, it looks very beautiful. I can tell you, it really does look very beautiful. See, like that. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? So, that's the first thing we're going to do. Okay, let's get this back down here. Okay, then what we're going to do is we're going to take the piece of copper foil, and we're going to put it in the Petal Burst, and we're going to run that through the Big Shot. And you get something like this. Isn't that beautiful? Now, the rest is really easy because you're just going to put it together. So, I'm going to attach with glue dots, I'm going to attach the springtime foil to the top of the card base, the basic black card base. Okay, just like that. Got it on? Yeah. And then with I'm going to attach the foil sheet that we just ran through. Okay, I know it's cold. We're supposed to get snow again. It's beautiful this morning. It's in the 40s. It's got to be in the 30s right now. I hate it when you get up and it's one temperature, and then when you half the day's through and it's another temperature. Okay. And I'm just going to put that there. Then I'm going to take a couple of Stampin' Dimensionals, and I'm just going to put those right there. So I get that raised a little. I love that copper. Okay, then I'm going to take my copper trim. And what I am going to do is, of course, you're going to do the bunny ears. And straighten them out. I'm a little bigger. And then what I'm going to do, because this copper foil you can do so much with, I just want to fan this out, just like that. I want to get this a little bit, have a little bit more texture to it. So I'm just going to fan that out. And I'm fanning, can you see that? Fanning this out too, this side out too. See, you can fan that out just so it makes it, so it just gives it a little bit more texture. I'm going to cut off some of these long ends, just like that. I'm going to put a glue dot on. Maybe 2, just to make sure it stays. I always like putting 2 glue dots on so it makes sure it stays in place. Then I'm just going to put that right on there. So there you have it. You got a nice cute little card in copper. And remember this, the copper foil sheets are free during celebration. And probably the time I get this on, celebration will be over because we only got 2 weeks left. But if you got it, that's where to use it. Isn't that beautiful? So please follow me on YouTube, and all the supplies are down below. I would really appreciate it if you bought your Stampin' Up! Supplies from me. I'm trying to win or earn the goal or the cruise to the Greece this year. So thanks for visiting and happy stamping. Bye-bye.
If you wanna play, make it about a play.